So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in find and fix problems with recording sound. And then this will come up. Click on this. And then click on next. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it's going to fix it for you. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. You want to find your microphone or your speakers, whichever one that you want to use. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for the device installed. Also, if your microphone comes with a software like my one does, you want to head over to your software and then click on it, and then click on settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date for the software itself. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, and then click on more sound settings. And now this will come up. Now you want to click on the recording tab and then find your microphone. You want to double click on it and then click on levels. Make sure that your microphone is not muted and turn it up as well. And then click on OK. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.